All right, beautiful people, welcome, welcome, welcome. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is Continuity of Learning, Day 11, History, Mr. Bay. Good to see you all. Hope you enjoyed your long weekend. If you all are ready, I'm ready. Let's go ahead and count it down before we get into it. 3, wake up, wake up. 2, good morning, good morning. You all are wonderful. And 1, and 0. All right. Let's go ahead and get into it. All right. First thing that we need to do, go ahead and stand up. And this is mandatory. We're going to stand up and we're going to do 10 shoulder rolls to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 to the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lock your hands and we're going to do 10 snakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Now that we've completed part 1 of our warm-up, let's go ahead and get into part 2 of our warm-up, okay? All right. So today's learning goals, what we're going to do, we're going to warm up with by looking at endangered species video, and you're going to complete a poll that I've already posted on PowerSchool, okay? And then today, the learning goals are pretty straightforward. We're going to review chapter 12, and we're going to wrap up that unit today, okay? I want to start by practicing the same skills that we've been practicing, and that is, up to this point, you all have been given a topic. You've been asked what you think about the topic. You've been given more content, and you've developed an opinion on something that should happen related to the topic, whether it be China, whether it be COVID-19, okay, and whether it be land use, right, and what we're currently doing, okay. But I want to warm up with different content, kind of unrelated, but same skills, where you are presented with some information and you kind of just ultimately make a decision on what should happen, okay. So we're going to warm up by looking at this video that I posted on PowerSchool, and it is in the document that I've sent you, endangered species video, and ultimately you're going to answer the question, which endangered species would you save, okay? Not graded, I just want to get us warmed up with that. After that, you're going to go to this discussion poll, and I'm asking you to just go through, right? Go through and just read at least two other people's opinions, and then just go ahead and make a comment on them. Okay, whether you agree, disagree, but say something positive. All right, try to say something positive and support your classmates. So that's step 1. Okay, step 2, you are going to begin your chapter 12 review. You demonstrate your understanding by going to gimkit.com, and you're going to play a game. It operates just like Kahoot, but it's different. You can earn money. So once you click on the link, you'll be asked to enter this code, and then you can start your game at your own pace. All of the questions are pretty much centered around chapter 12, so it's pretty much a review, okay? From there, you are now going to read section 9 in your textbook and complete the corresponding ISN question, right? Ideas for reducing land use conflict. So again, you've been learning about the different groups, what they want, all right? You learned about the conflict that is taking place and has taken place in the Amazon rainforest on how the land should be used. Now I want to finish up by you all putting forth your ideas in how to reduce the land use conflict. Now, this is graded, okay? The GimKit completion is graded. So you're playing that for 10 minutes, earn as much money as you can. And then you're going to finish up today by completing the lesson game for chapter 12, right? So as you come here to chapter 12, okay, after you play the GimKit game review, you go to section 9, read the corresponding section, and then complete the activity, right, at the bottom, and then go to the lesson game for chapter 12 and complete the lesson game. This is open note, and it will count as a quiz grade, okay? So make sure that you take your time, make sure that you use your notes, and try to earn as many points as you can while answering as many questions correctly as you can, okay? All right, that's it for today, okay? That is the entire lesson for today. We will follow up in our next class. please check your due dates according to your class. So Tigers, this work is not due until Thursday. Turtles, your work will be due, today's work will be due tomorrow. Okay? All right. Email me with any questions that you may have. Other than that, good to see you all again, and can't wait till we have our synchronous class later on in the week. Okay? All right.